I went from having skinny as fuck forearms to having huge ones. Here's how I did it. When I started lifting weight for a whole year, I focused on big muscles like back, chest and legs, while everyone is told to do so. After training for a whole year, I was not looking aesthetic at all. Forget about huge forearms. My forearms were non-existent. Everyone told me if I do my back exercises without grip assistant, then I would grow huge forearm. But as you now know, that did not happen. So what did I do next year to fix it? I stopped relying on indirect forearm work and started training them like any other muscle. So step 1, add direct forearm training. Most people don't train forearms directly, but if you want them to grow, you have to isolate them. Here's what I added. Reverse curl 3 to 4 sets, which was 10 to 12 reps, which makes forearm thicker from the front. Wrist curls and reverse wrist curls, which strengthens the flexor and extensors. Hammer curls, which also add overall arm thickness, and behind the back wrist curls for maximum contraction of forearm flexors. I treated these like any other muscle group, training with intensity, proper form and progressive overload. Step 2, high frequency training. I train forearms for 3 to 4 times a week instead of just once. Why? Because they recover faster. Think about it. The forearms are already used to high volume training from daily activities like carrying bags, gripping objects, etc. If you want them to grow, you need to hit them more often. I personally do Monday and Thursday for heavy forearm training and Tuesday and Saturday for high rep endurance training. So the goal of this training is cause stimulus, which will cause the muscle to grow faster. Step 3, grip training every session. This was a game changer. I started actively working my grip every session. And how did I do it? I did it by dead hangs, 3 set till failure. This make it strengthen as well as stretch my grip, and the result, way stronger grip, thicker forearms and no longer weak handshakes. Step 4, I stopped using straps entirely. When I stopped using straps in my workout, I did engage my forearms more in my back exercises, but my back was already good enough and my forearms were lacking, so it was actually a good thing. Step 5, training forearms just like bicep and tricep. I treated forearms like a priority, not an afterthought. If you want them to grow, train them no matter what. Dedicate 10 to 15 minutes at the end of each push or pull day for forearms. Train them like how would you train your bicep or tricep, by using progressive overload and never skip a session. Consistency is what makes the difference. Okay, that's all. See ya.